Pretty much exactly a year ago, I was last in Brighton taking photos, but the weather is absolutely lush today. I thought I'd come down with the camera and see what photos we can get. I have no agenda. I'm just gonna mooch around, hopefully get some good photos, get some good morning light. We're here quite early, so it's still quiet. It's gonna be a good day, I think. We're by the West Pier at the minute, which is right behind me. We'll walk along the seafront first, go into the lanes, and then probably do the pier in the afternoon. That's sort of my thought process, but who knows, that might change. I just want to get some good photos and I want to bring you along with me. So let's go get some good ones. So I think the R360 is going to be my first shot of the day. When it goes up, it's a nice bit of geometric shape to it. And then as you got someone looking over as well, they're in a nice silhouette with a blank space there. So as it goes back up, you've got a nice bit of circles and lines and all that sort of stuff. I'm hoping it looks quite good. I've just got to wait for it to go up again. It's a nice amount of foreground elements in these boats, and that guy over there is being framed quite nicely against them all, which is quite good actually. I just want to try and avoid having the pier in it, which is a bit of a nightmare considering I'm shooting directly towards it. So the frame I'm going for here is through the deck chairs. Because of the wind, it lifts some of the fabric up, and looking through them you can frame subjects pretty nicely up against the sea. Again, working with silhouettes to get the image, and it'll look like this. So there's a quite nice reflection through this window here. The light's hitting the wooden board through the shop, and you can get people as they walk past. Just need to wait for someone. This is quite a good one as well. Shooting through the grate here, there's a nice reflection of the shop just to the right of me, and as people come around the corner, they're in a silhouette, which is quite nice. I just need to wait for someone the right height and then break through this, so this isn't too much of a distraction. So we're back at the seafront. We're going to do the pier, go up to the amusements at the end, and then, yeah, chill out by the beach, walk up again. Further down that way is the zipline, which is where I got a shot last year that is still one of my favourite shots, which you can buy a print of if you want. Leave a comment if you want one, and I'll let you know all the details. But yeah, just over there. So we'll do the pier, go back down, then probably go back to the lanes when the lighting changes a little bit. Just do that. It's been good so far. So, Brighton here, busy, tons of people, but great for just looping. You have to pay for a ticket now, and that means I'm going to make the most of it. I'm just going to keep going around in circles and hope that I get some good pictures. I've got some so far, and hopefully more will come. I'm not trying to focus on people so much. Again, it's more reflections and shapes and stuff like that. But it's been good so far. I'm going to do one more loop and carry on, I think. Last time, I couldn't get someone walking up the stairs though. It was too busy, but now it isn't. So I think I got it. I got what I wanted to last time anyway. Whether it's any good is a different thing. Let's go see if that person climbing the stairs goes on the zip line. I thought I'd revisit it. I've done the pier now. I thought I'd revisit the zip line above me, but I don't know whether it would actually get anything. I haven't seen many people walk up there. So I'll wait for a bit, but I'll stick with the 5-minute rule. If nothing happens in 5 minutes, I will just move on. Yeah, that's basically what I'm going for. Same as last time. See if I can beat it, but probably not, because I really like that image. I'll tell you what, it's great. The light in the park here. We're at the pavilion at the minute. And yeah, the light here is really, really good. Just a shame that you can't walk around all of the externals, only parts of it. For example, I really like it over here. Like just those pillars. I want someone standing in between those pillars, but no one can get there. The gate though, we'll have to do. It does look quite nice. And there is some lovely light here to get some nice shape and contrast between the people. Yeah, there's tons of people about as well, but who wouldn't be on a day like today? It's absolutely beautiful out here. I'm gonna carry on, see what else there is to shoot, and then I might call it. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The time has absolutely flown by. But like I say, no agenda, no real plan, just mooching around and enjoying the day, and that's exactly what I've done. So yeah, really good. I've probably caught the sun a bit as well. Don't know. So this wood here, this bamboo, is our next frame. I quite like the tree reflection and the fact that you can get a shadow on it. So with me walking past, you can see my shadow, which I quite like. Just need to wait for a tall subject to get a decent shadow. There's not too much to this one that needs explaining. I just like the light and I like the texture to it. I want someone's shadow on the white bit, so they need to be quite tall. That's the only problem. Or further forward. But I'll test it out and see what things I can find. See what subjects walk through. It's just by a bus stop, so there's plenty of people. Quite like this little pocket of light here. as people walk through it, they get a nice bit of light hitting them, or if they're just on the road a little bit, they'll be in silhouette and backlit, which is also quite nice. I like this nice bit of light, but I don't think I'm going to get anyone walking in it because it's a residential area. But I like the way the light's forming on that wall. And if someone wore yellow or magenta, going with the colour contrast wheel, then I think it'd look quite nice up against that. It's just a shame that no one walks down the street. So yeah, this shadow, someone in light colours on their own would work nicely, actually. I don't know whether I want to keep the top of the building or the landscape of it. I'll probably just make it a bit more minimal. Perfect. Work it, there we go. Good job. It's what we like to see. Exactly what we like to see. Good shot, that. Good shot. I bought a record as well, because I always do when I'm in Brighton. Bad habit. Terrible habit. Right, that's going to do it for this video. I've definitely caught the sun, maybe a little too much, but I've enjoyed the day. I think I've got some decent photos, and I want to do more of this, more of the British seaside this summer. And I definitely want to go to Cleethorpes to see my pal Dan Baker. I want to go to a bunch of other towns and stuff along the coast because it's nice. It's nice and a good change of pace from London. So yeah, I've enjoyed today. And I think I've got some good photos as well, so that's a bonus. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.